What's up, guys? This is Not Your Ordinary Barber with N.Y.O Barbershop. Today we are at the Berks County Barber Expo. I am here with the founder of the Baltimore Barber Expo. I'm going to let him introduce himself, and then we'll get started.
Hey, my name is Vernon Dawson. This is my fourth year introducing the Baltimore Barber Battle Expo. It's been an experience like, I can't even explain it. God is so good. He put me in the path with so many great people that's ahead of me. First and foremost, I want to give all the homage to Jay Majors, who got me through this. He's been my host for the last 3 years of my show.
Wow.
Has taught me a lot, focus on a lot of things that most people don't focus on.
Yeah.
That means a lot in trying to get a expo together.
So let's talk about that. A lot of people don't realize the networking that's involved, the money that's involved with it. You travel to all these other expos as well,
Yes.
networking and talking to
Yes.
vendors,
Yes.
barbers, battle barbers. You know, you network and you know, to get these people to come to your show as well.
Yes.
So let's talk about how difficult it is putting the show together.
Okay, so first and foremost, it takes a team of people. It's not just one individual person.
Yeah.
When somebody think they bigger than a situation, but they don't need to be in this business. Relationship is everything.
Yeah.
First and foremost. If you don't have a relationship, you don't have yourself. When you surround yourself with positive people, motivate people, it makes you think differently.
Uh-huh.
And what I mean by that, it makes you think about the smallest thing that will change the whole graphic of the whole Baltimore Expo.
Yeah.
And I learned that from Jay in so many ways. I can name so many people like Eric here at Berks County. He's been a judge for me for the last 2 years. And he taught me a lot of different avenues and different ways in conducting a battle.
Okay.
Okay. As far as down to the lights,
Yeah.
people don't understand the lights are more important than anything.
Yeah.
You don't have good lighting, you're not going to have good cutting.
Yes.
You ain't going to see, you're going to say, okay, this fade is good, but it's actually not good after you take the, if you dim the lights and then brighten up the lights, you'll see all the difference.
Yeah.
It makes your haircut.
Yeah, of course.
To make it long story short.
Now, we also got EG Cuts over here. He does the Jersey Shore Barber Battle as well. Just so you guys can see. It's all love. You know what I'm trying to say? Everybody goes out and supports each other.
Exactly.
And, you know, like a lot of people see, not necessarily barbers, but a lot of people see barbering as a side hustle. It's not really, they don't take it they don't take it as a profession, you know. And I mean, these guys are taking it to that. Like, they're putting on shows, you know, they're stapling their communities, they're out there networking, they're taking their money, their own money, investing it in themselves, you know, and you know, these are the type of things that are going to bring people together. And if we can change the fact that people, we take this as a professional, we take it seriously, people like that will see us more, you know?
I want to say one more quick thing. Jersey Shore Barber Expo was the first one that I went on that end. And my man right here did an excellent job. He did it out the block. I learned a lot from him as well. And I kind of talked with him at different venues and different styles. I learned how he runs his, what can I do to make mine better. And he taught me a lot that I didn't know either. Yeah. You know what I mean? And I just want to say homage to you and thank you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes.
And we're working together too, you know, hand in hand, you know, that's how it should be. You know, one hand watching another. And then, you know, like I said, it's going to be my first time going to Baltimore. This year,
I'm very excited.
Yeah, thank you.
So
anyway, hope to see you back.
The next expo, you bring in anything different, a different category?
Well, I'm going to tell you this, first and foremost, the venue. Okay, so I'm not going to say the venue makes expo. Convenience makes an expo. Convenience. I'm going to tell you the reason why. So I figured, okay, I was in a good spot last year, but what can I do to make it easier for the customers that's flying in, the vendors? So I said, you know what? Let me put it smack dead in the middle of D.C., Baltimore, Virginia. BWI is 5 minutes away from the venue.
Nice. That's dope.
5 minutes away. And you know, y'all know, that is everything.
Yeah.
Convenience is huge. If you have convenience in your expo event, that will make it even more possible.
Yeah.
So that's another thing I learned from going through all these expos. And we all know everybody's running that dream of trying to get to Connecticut, but for me, it's not trying to make myself bigger than him. It gotta take years and years and years. But I learned from it.
Yeah.
It makes me a better person. So, I don't think I trying to be like Jay or no, I want to be like Vernon.
Yeah.
The Baltimore Barber battle expo. That's it. And that's the only dreams I have for myself and for my family and for the people that surround me. And to make a show not about me, I want to make it for the vendors.
Yeah.
The vendors who makes the expo. It's not you as an individual. And the reason why I'm saying it, you mess up with one vendor, that trickles down to 10 or 15 other vendors.
Yes.
So I just like to surround myself with good people. First and foremost.
I can only imagine there's got to be a lot of politics and a lot of stuff that goes on that nobody even talks about.
Exactly.
You know what I'm trying to say? But I've been to your expo 2 times.
I love everything about it.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun at it. I would like to see you do a tag team. Tag team would be dope.
And that's what I need your input.
Yeah.
I'm not scared to ask people for help. If you're scared to ask people for help, then you got issues, you got problems. Because it's only gonna make you a better person.
No, yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
I always say tag team is always a good category no matter what. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna get a good turnout for stuff like that.
Exactly.
I was just in Brooklyn with Heavy. They did a tag team one. They had a guy come out from Florida, someone else from like South Carolina. You know, and it was a small venue, but tag team brings out.
Sure does.
Jersey Shore had people from Florida.
Yeah.
You know?
He had a hell of a turnout.
That's what I'm trying to say.
I mean, that Jersey Shore was banging.
Yeah.
It was banging. And from this day forward, I want to do a collective circle for the Baltimore Barber, the Jersey, Dutch County, Connecticut, a family that's going to help each other out, that's going to make us better. Like I said before, I just want longevity.
Yeah.
I don't want to hear me now because what is that going to get us? You know what I mean? I got blessed with this venue, right? And both me, and then I was blessed with, Vernon, can we do 2025 and 2026?
That's
so
it.
We got 2024. Yes. So
nice.
we in this for the next 2 more years.
No, that's what's up.
Yeah, so we was absolutely blessed.
Well, things happen for a reason, man.
No, definitely. I've been absolutely blessed. And another thing, I just want to say, homage and thanks to you as well, to give me the opportunity for you to come to my show and tell me what I could do to make better. And I just want to say thank you.
No, man, I want to say thank you guys because of events like this. Has got me doing things like this. I go up there and compete.
Exactly.
You know, I went to my first expo was here in French County. And ever since then, man, it was like, you know, I switched it and I was like, you know what? You get to a point in barbering where sometimes you get to be a job.
Exactly.
Right? And you get same customer, same things over and over again. You know, and things like this is what makes it different. You know what I'm saying?
I love every aspect of the game.
Yeah.
You learn something every day. And like you give me inspiration. You winning that at my show is huge. And I try my best to be equal for us, giving out the surprises, giving out the trophies, the barber chair. You saw what? But I can make it better. I can do it different this year. And this is what I want to do moving forward. Is I want to treat it differently.
Yeah.
And do a whole different platform.
No, definitely. All right, man. Well, I want to say thank you to Vernon. Thank you to EG.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, too.
Great. You doing your thing.
It's nice seeing you guys.
Everybody know where they can find you on Instagram or something.
You can find me on either @bmore_barber_expo, or you can go to Vernon Dawson 315 on my IG. I have 2 IG accounts.
If anybody's interested in competing or getting a booth or anything like that, I'm pretty sure he has a link.
You can go to Baltimore Barber expo.com.
There you go.
Go on Eventbrite. You can pick and choose any of the battles. It tells everything in the description on everything on the Eventbrite.
That's what's up. Yeah, well, thank you. Y'all be safe. Peace.
Peace.